Hello friends, this is Dave of JavaCodeJunkie.com and welcome to another Data Access Objects video tutorial. In this episode, we again continue building our DAO implementation by creating an update method. Let's go to Eclipse and our employee DAO implementation class. And in the update method, again, I'm going to remove these two lines that were automatically included when we created this class with the help of the DAO interface. First thing we need, as always, is a connection. Database.get connection. Next, we set up our SQL command, string SQL equals update employees set employee ID equal question mark first name equal question mark last name equal question mark and department ID equal question mark where ID equals question mark. Next, we create our prepared statement. Prepared statement equals connection dot prepare statement. Passing along again our SQL code. We'll organize our imports with Control-Shift-O. Now we have to replace the placeholders, the question marks, in our SQL string with values from the employee object that was passed as a parameter to this update method. ps.setInt parameter and the value employee.getEmployee ID. ps.setString to employee.getFirstName. ps.setString 3 employee.getLastName. ps.setInt 4 employee.getDepartment and 5 ps.setInt 5 employee.getID. We'll now execute the prepared statement. Int result equals ps.execute update. And then we'll close our resources. Database.close prepared statement. ps database.close connection. And we return the result. Let's go to our main.java class. Once again, we'll get rid of what's currently in the main method. We need our employee DAO. We'll create a new employee object. And we're going to use one of those that currently exists in our employees table. That one was record with ID number 8, that's Sam Spade. So the ID is 8. The employee ID is 336861. The first name is Sam. The last name is Spade. And the department ID is currently at 5. And what we want to do is actually change some of these values. So I'm going to change simply the last name from Spade to Club. Next, we execute the update method from our employee DAO, passing along our employee object, and we'll sys out the employee. Let's go back to dbeaver and we'll see the record in our employees table. Employee has an ID of 8, an employee ID of 336861, first name Sam, last name Spade, and a department ID of 5. So we're going to change the name Spade to Club. Let's right click, run as Java application, and we get the employee record from the values that we provided. But let's now go back to dbeaver. We will right click on the employees table and refresh. And now you see the name Spade has been changed to Club. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any videos when I release new content. Thanks for hanging out today. I appreciate it as always. And until next time, stay safe and keep on coding.